What's going on, guys? It's Justin here, and we're here with Nelson and Nora of Boss Hog Torque Converters to talk about some great converters that they brought to the market. You guys brought some really cool stuff.
Yeah, man, it's been outrageous. The show's already ramping up. It's going to be an awesome year for this, and you know, Nora's been really hard at work with this. So we want to actually show you guys our Outlaw series 4L60 300mm LS converter. So what we've got going on with it is the fact that we've been able to lose weight. Okay, so we're actually making it stronger. So that means it'll actually hold up to 1,800 pounds, and it's also about 4 pounds lighter than the original versions that we've had in the past. I'm gonna actually have Nora here actually demonstrate how these things go together. Do you wanna start off by putting the top back on and show them how that works? Okay. Okay, so this is actually what actually pumps the fluid throughout the torque converter. Now we have our own custom designed anti-ballooning plates that Nora actually makes on a Haas ST30 in our shop as well. So as we go through that, we actually have to heat this up to a point where we have to quench the whole back cover of this torque converter because it gets up to over 1,800 degrees. So Nora, actually, we have Torrington style bearings, and she's gonna restack it out on the opposite side here, and she picks up the stator. Now there's multiple different fins on the stator here that you could actually turn into stall as well as the outside corner of this back top. Okay, so the direction of the fins all make differences in each area. So next, you'll notice in the Outlaw series, on the back cover and also on the turbine, every single fold over does have a tack weld on that particular application and extra supporting welds all throughout the outside. Now that's just not a little bit of weld. It's to stop the fence from bending from such immense shock and power. So we've been able to get into this and make that actually work. And we use multiple different styles of welding in our shop. Nora here is pointing out the fact that we use ultra high temperature O-rings as far as that's concerned. We only use the best of the best O-rings so that they don't melt, so that they can take that heavy duty torture all throughout. This right here is a spring return for the actual lockup. Now this is a solid carbon fiber lockup that actually gives you almost 29% more contact patch than your woven carbon fiber would. So it's actually be like 2.4 to 2.5 clutches just with this one single disc. Again, keeping the rotating mass way down to a minimum. And we're also going through nearly 1,500 yards of sandpaper every single week in order for us to get our parts this clean. This is nothing more than a hydraulic system, so it's important that we go that extra mile on every single piece in our shop. And then we also have our own custom crankshaft pilots on the back here. We do a spray arc transfer, which you can actually see it coming together there, but as you look at the other side, it's very smooth welds and stuff. Now these kind of welds are actually 6 to 8 times stronger than your normal globule welding, which I learned in the military for the United States Navy. And so we actually have these things tested beyond 10,000 RPM, all of these. Even though your car's not gonna go there, we make sure that our parts are gonna be just perfect on every single time.
Man, it's amazing how much technology is built to it, and you guys are really innovating the torque converter market. Man, it's been a lot of fun learning about these Boss Hog torque converters, and all this stuff is available at Summit Racing. So head over to one of our 4 retail locations or our website to see our full selection of Boss Hog torque converters. Nelson, Nora, it's been a lot of fun. Thanks for having us, and we can't wait to see you guys in the future and what kind of products you come out with.
I appreciate that.
Bye, we love you, fans.
So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and we'll see you guys later.